Hey everyone, today's recipe is a quick one as we're making a healthy and high protein yogurt bowl with about 35 grams of protein in it. Start with a bowl which you'll eat your yogurt from. I already have 1 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt in here. Add 2 tablespoons of the protein powder of your choice. I'm going with a vanilla whey protein powder for today. Add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. You can use chia seeds or hemp seeds if you prefer. Mix everything together until it's smooth and there are no more visible clumps. Top your yogurt with 1/4 a cup of granola. Try to use a low sugar or a keto granola if possible so you can keep the sugar down. Finally, add 1/2 cup of fresh fruit of your choice. I'm using a mix of blackberries and blueberries here. And that's all there is to it. Your protein yogurt bowl is good to go. These yogurt bowls are some of my favorite quick high protein breakfast options to go with, and the possibilities are endless. I'll share with you some other appealing variations in the future. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fast, healthy recipes every week.